Have a good day to everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. For today video is all about basic and simple English Tagalog translation. Abrasion, abrase, abrage, abroad, abrogate, abrupt, abscess. Tagalog, galos, magkatabi, magpaiksi, nasa ibang bansa, baguhin, matarik, sugat na may nana. English, abrasion, abrasion, abrasion. Tagalog, galos, galos, galos. Abrase, abrase, abrase. Magkatabi, magkatabi, magkatabi. Abrage, abrage, abrage. Magpaiksi, magpaiksi, magpaiksi. Abroad, abroad, abroad. Nasa ibang bansa, nasa ibang bansa, nasa ibang bansa. Abrogate, abrogate, abrogate. Baguhin, baguhin, baguhin. Abrupt, abrupt, abrupt. Matarik, matarik, matarik. Abscess, abscess, abscess. Sugat na may nana, sugat na may nana, sugat na may nana. Thank you for watching. This is our video for today.